So I have this box, and I don't even remember where I got it, but I use it to hold my pencil sharpeners. And the thing is, it has these two dogs on it, but it's a little old and messed up. And I've thought about redoing it, but then I would have to erase these two dogs. And it would be like erasing them out of existence, even though they're just a drawing. And I don't want to do that. I know they're not living dogs, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to keep my dog pencil sharpener holder. Thank you very much. So this is where I'm at now. The face was actually the easy part because the rest of her is gold, 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 gold. And metallic gold is hard to paint. This kind of looks like copper. That's not good enough. So I watched a couple of how to paint gold or metallic tutorials on YouTube, and I'll link them below. And I need to give that a go because she definitely got some bling. That might not be the thing to say anymore. I don't know, what are you gonna call it? She covered in jewels. Hello, here I am. I am Rachel of Rachel Gets Creative. Welcome to my video, halfway through the video, and welcome to my channel. So yeah, gold. Gold is hard to paint. It's not really a color. It's all the reflections and the light that hits it and the shadows. I mean, it gets really dark brown and then really pale whitey yellow. So I got to work on that because she's all gold all the time. So what else? I'm going to wash my car so I could put on my Steady Crafter in the Wild sticker. CrafsMan, the CrafsMan show on YouTube, Steady Crafting. If y'all, I think y'all all know him, but if you don't, oh my gosh, he's fantastic. And I'll put a link in the description to his channel, and it is really a must-see. And he's got a big old back catalog too, so he can fill your days with joy and goodness and crafts. Kitty, meowie, meow. I'm hiding behind a door to trick him to come in the room. It worked. He's so dumb. You're not the brightest. Okay. He's like, I meant to do that. That's what I wanted to do. Yeah. What else? Oh, I'm probably gonna buy a couch. Our couch is as old as my oldest nephew, and he is 18. And part of an important couch for me is being able to lay on it. So I bought myself some cheeseburger cat socks, brand new, to go lay on some couches. But I thought they were cute. They also had martini drinking sharks, weightlifting hamsters, my exciting life, sock buying, couch buying. Okay. Speaking of nephews, so I've had some people ask about Al and Trash Panda and our trip to Rome, and if there will be a video, and there definitely will be. Al and Trash Panda go to Rome. Ciao. But those videos take a while. I make props. Like, for example, I'm going to make them a little Vespa scooter to ride on. And one of my nephews has asked to help out with the video. He has an interest in video making, and the other one might help too. So they'll probably come out sometime in the summer, would be my guess. That's all I got now. Not terribly interesting, but I am getting more inspired, and I think part of that is just painting, just the physical act of painting, putting paint on canvas, even if you're just painting a background. It kind of gets things going and flowing. So I do like where her face is, and now I just need to learn how to paint gold and her body. And I don't know why I picked her. She's the hardest thing I could possibly paint. So I love ya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much. I hope you have a good day and a good week. What you doing? What do you want? What, me? It wasn't me.